Hi, today we are here to talk about Access Small Cap Fund. And a small cap company in India, as we all know, is any company which holds a rank above 250 as per market capitalization. As per SEBI categorization of mutual funds, a small cap fund is an open-ended fund which has minimum 65% of its assets in small cap companies. Now, small cap funds are typically for those investors who want to generate high return from their investments and who are willing to go through higher volatility for the same. The universe of small cap stocks is broader as compared to large and mid cap stocks and also contains a high degree of volatility compared to their larger counterparts. And hence, a bottom-up stock picking approach is the key to investing in small caps. When we say bottom-up stock picking approach, it means we focus on individual company more than the macroeconomic and market cycles. It involves giving more weightage to company-specific fundamentals such as revenue, earnings, as compared to the overall industry or the economy. Now, in Access Small Cap Fund, we aim at investing primarily in high conviction small cap stocks. We identify those stocks which have sustainable long-term business model, keeping in mind the risk-reward ratio. The small cap space is fairly under-researched segment. The average analyst coverage for Nifty small cap index is just about 8 as compared to 21 for a mid cap index or 39 for a large cap index. How we look or what does Access Mutual Fund look for while selecting stocks in a small cap space? So we base our selection on three main fundamentals: quality, scalability, and stability. When we say quality, we basically mean quality of promoters, management, and quality of business put together. Quality of promoter means a strong promoter pedigree, good corporate governance practices, and management with sound track record of execution. Quality of business for us means its ability to generate sustainable good return ratios and cash flows. The second most important factor for us is the scalability of business. Scalability means a business model with sustainable growth potential. So there is a large size of opportunity and companies capable of capturing that opportunity over medium to long term. The last factor for us is the stability of the company. The company should have a strong balance sheet and ability to withstand event shocks. This is very important as mortality rate in a small cap space is very high. In fact, most of the small cap companies fail to scale up and become a mid and large companies. So to create wealth in a small cap space, we have to look as a very important factor, the stability or the survivability of the company. So in conclusion, a small cap fund is for those investors who are willing to absorb volatility and have patience to stay invested in fund for a very long duration.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.